I think we're at this Largo. We are at Largo de Ponte, but I think it's this way. I hope. It could be this way. Maybe we'll film a little bit of both, but we're definitely gonna walk that way for sure. So stay tuned. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna go down this way, Largo de Ponte. So before we do, we're just gonna explore a little bit around here a little bit. So this is, I think it's this way, but there's also this little area in here. So we're just gonna walk, show you this little bit. Have to walk across this little green thing right here. So we're just gonna go here. This might be the same Largo. Largo is like square. So this right here says Villa de Taipa. And then this one is, this whole little space is where the Taipa used to go as an island. And then they reclaimed all that land between Taipa and Koloan. So there we go, now I'm out of the sun a little bit. So this right here, this little space right here, the water used to come up here. This was probably like fish market, so that was kind of like an entrance to the island. So so I kind of imagine maybe like a market here with fish and stuff like that. I think they used to sell a lot of, I think, oysters and firecrackers and things like that. But now all of that is reclaimed land all the way between here and Koloan. So all the Cotai Strip is right there. So the Cotai Strip is all the casinos that are been built. So we have, I'm not sure what that might be called. It could be what we were just on. But anyways, we're definitely gonna explore down that direction. And before we go down, we're just gonna go down that crosswalk that's nearby. It's Galaxy Casino right there in Cotai Strip. This is Taipa. Then we're gonna cross over. Before we do, this is this street. I filmed this a number of times because it's a kind of cool street with all these big giant banyan trees in the middle of it, and also has these beautiful black and white tiles too. And you got some gold shops and things like that here too. But we're gonna go around the back side of it. The back side is Largo de Ponte. I don't know if that's pronunciation is correct or not. But you have that's funny. That was a gold shop, and then this is a restaurant right here. Then this one kind of goes into it's called Wonderful. Oh, it's fish. So you got fresh foods, fresh fish. So this street is kind of more like a back alley. So there's a bunch of cars that can park up there, and then you have this kind of back alley of apartments, the back side of apartment, and whatever was on this side of the it's kind of cool too, right? Let's just kind of go like this. And you have a tiny little narrow alley right in here. Huh, probably had a name up there in a plaque, which is no longer there, I'm guessing anyways. So let's keep on strolling through here. Another one of those little black and white ones. Got a chair right here for sitting. Got a drink right there for when you're sitting there. Backside of a kitchen right there. Stream 8. Oops. You got another alley right here. So that's part of Stream 8, I guess. Has like kind of those circular, traditional Chinese restaurant style. More benches to sit on. We're just gonna keep on strolling through here. And I think we're coming up to the end of the street. So that was basically the street right there, but it's kind of a parking lot. Black and white tiles. So we're just kind of angled down into the other street. And I guess we'll just kind of put a little context by tying it into this one as well. So that's basically behind. It's still called Largo de Ponte. So this is still the same street. So I guess Largo de Ponte just kind of goes around like that. And basically it just kind of goes off of this other street, which is filled with these cool banyan trees that go all the way down. Looks like that. So yeah, our street is basically like this. It goes around like that. And we got so much interesting stuff right here too, so we can film some of this too. Portuguese ships. I guess that might be where traditional Taipa probably, since we're on Taipa Island. More ships. Yeah, not too bad, eh? Got a temple up here. Oh, this temple had a lot more to it. There was tons of little things like this. There's only one now. There's only one right there. That guy. I wonder what happened to all of them. And that one too. Oh, it's filled with a ton of them. Anyways. And since that one back there was basically our main focus. Oh, here's the temple. Since that was our focus, we'll just end it. Nice Chinese restaurant right there. This is the street, so if you're curious, that one is our street that kind of comes off this. And then we have this street right here too. So I guess we'll end it right there, so I hope you like that one.